Welcome to another video on MSK coding. Today I'll be showing you this program I made. This program is ASCII.py. This program converts text to ASCII. What is ASCII, you ask? Well, ASCII is a numerical representation of almost any character. So if you put A into this, it'll put you the ASCII value of A. And how this works is string is a variable. And then we ask input, what string do you want to be turned into ASCII? So whatever you put in here will be put into string. String split now is list of string, which makes every character in the string a list. So string split. I is 0, that is our counting. We will be incrementing, that's what the I is for. Upper string is string.upper. What that does is it makes all of the characters in string uppercase. But this upper string and upper string list, this is for another thing in this code. L is a list, and call rank is another list. While I is less than length of string, append ord, and let me tell you what ord does. Ord converts, it's basically an ASCII converter. So it goes A into the ASCII version of A. Ord of string split I, so let's say you had MSK coding, and if I is 0, it'll take M, then it'll take the ASCII of M and append that to L. Car rank append is the exact same thing, you just have this minus 64, and I'll tell you about that later. I plus equals 1, so now I is 1, and it starts all over again until the end of the string. Then it prints your string turned into ASCII is, and then it puts L, which is basically the ASCII version of the string, and the placement of each character in the alphabet is car rank. And this is the second thing that I was talking about. Upper string makes all the characters go uppercase. Upper string list is the list of upper string, and car rank is a list just like L. But we have this minus 64, and that's something that you might not know what that is. Well, what I can show you is if we run this code. So we're here in the Python shell where we're going to be running this code. So let me show you. If we do uppercase A, that's what the upper. So if we put A, it'll convert into uppercase A. But let's just put uppercase A just to show. And the ASCII is 65, and the first letter of the alphabet is A. So you subtract 64 to get the placement of that letter in the alphabet. And so one thing that might be confusing for you is these commas. So usually I either use format or the F at the beginning of the string, but this time I'm using commas. Now all this is doing your string turned into ASCII is break, put what the variable L is, and the placement of each character in the alphabet is break car rank. And so now we can show you all of the different things that. Okay, so we did the A thing up there, but now what if we do, I don't know, we can do like, how about, let's see, numbers into ASCII. Let's see how that works. So it seems like the number 6 has an ASCII of 54, number 5 has an ASCII of 53. And if we put non-letter things into here, this second part will get messed up, like -10 and -11. Actually, if you put the at symbol in there, it would show 0, which is really cool. I can show you that. So here we're back in with it again, and as I showed you, Well, so it's going to show you, put at symbol, it's 64, because 64 minus 64 is 0. It says the placement is 0, but really, it's not even in the alphabet. So, if it's not a letter, this thing does not count. Well, I hope you had a good time watching this video. Bye!